So guys, here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some exercises that are going to work not only the rotator cuff but also your mid-back area, and it's really going to help with your posture and engaging the back muscles, because throughout the day you're mostly forward flexed and there's a lot of tension in the flexors. So what we're going to do is try to turn those guys off a little bit by really turning on the back muscles. So first exercise, and all of these you do till you burn, till burn. So you go to about 90 degrees and you push out. What you want to do is you want to engage the core, and all you're doing is pushing out. Imagine you're spreading the band as far as you can, and also you want to keep the elbows nice and straight. So you do that till you burn, and then what you do is you change the positioning a little bit, get a little bit into a little bit of a squat, and all you're doing now is imagine you're doing like reverse flies and you're pushing back. And the key is what you want to do is you want to try and get the shoulder blades engaged, and at the same time keep the elbows straight, like so. And then once you're burning there, you want to switch it up a little bit. You want to get into your rotator cuff, great rotator cuff exercise. Elbows are 90 degrees, thumbs pointed out. Make sure the wrists are staying neutral, and all you're doing is you're pressing out. Core is engaged once again, super important to really isolate the rotator cuff muscles. And once again, you want to go till you burn. And you want to feel the burn at the top of your shoulders. If you feel the burn in your neck, then you stop, because you're most likely shrugging up, and that's with any of these exercises. So you work with this one till you burn. Good, and then what you do is you change it up a little bit. You get the arms nice and tall, posterior pelvic tilt, and you're coming down. Once again, you want to go as tall as you can. You want to keep those wrists neutral, and you're spreading the band as wide as you can, going from a Y to a T shape. Once again, the core is nice and engaged, and you're generating most of your force right from the shoulders. Good, so once you work on that one, now we're gonna switch it up. I find this set, I mean, it takes me a few minutes to do. It takes me 5 minutes, but afterwards I'm just burnt. Now with this one, you have an option of going forward straight. You have an option of going out a bit. But the key is try to keep the thumbs up, elbows straight, and wrist is in neutral. Super important. Lower drop in this case. Trying to engage the core. Try not to shrug at this point, because it does get tiring. And you're going up, and then I add one more to it. Same thing, get a little bit of a squat, and now I'm just trying to go above. This one's really going to get that lower trap. And you want to try to go into a Y shape. Bring it straight up, keep the wrists neutral, thumbs up, elbows are straight. Once again, just go to the burn till you burn, and doing that daily, you know, even a couple times a day, 5 to 7 minutes out of your life, makes a huge difference in the long run.